What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're gonna go over Bitcoin, currently sitting at 38.5, up 1.7 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 753 billion, 24-hour volume 21.56 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, special December Christmas special for the entire month of December. My signals group will be completely free. I will tell you towards the end of the video how you can gain access. All right, guys. So looking at BTC on the 4-hour, we have started to break out of the ascending triangle. It's been a boring week. I would love to see a move today. Hopefully we get it. We'll see what happens. If we were to push up from here in the wave 5, your target would be in between 42.9 and 45K. Of course, we can fake out to the upside. We can still roll over. We have bearish divergences on the 4-hour RSI as well as the money flow. So if we roll over, that is our target zone. But honestly, I'd like to see a push to the upside. I'd like to just see something. And that would be the target to look for BTC. We're currently in trades for Gala Games, XRP, Matic, as well as Ethereum. So let me pop open a different chart here. Pop over to the daily. Yeah, so we've started to push up towards the top of this channel, and it does look like we're starting to form a rising wedge. So eventually you will see a larger pullback. But what may happen here is we creep up towards the top of this wedge, which would be at about 40K, the top of this channel before potential rejection. As you can see, we do have divergence. On the RSI, if we pop over the money flow index, yeah, you have money flowing out while price is pushing up. So just be really cautious right now for BTC. As you can see, price has just been moving so slowly this week, and we do have divergences, so we have to be really cautious in my opinion. All right, gang, looking at the DXY, I think likely we're going to create an inverse head and shoulders, a little something like this, put in the right shoulder and then bounce, and then that's when you see that larger pullback for BTC. So once we start to put in that right shoulder, that might give Bitcoin the opportunity to push up to the wave 5. They don't always move together, but most of the time when the DXY is going up, Bitcoin's going down, and vice versa. So just keep that in mind for BTC. The triangle target, ascending triangle, it is a bullish pattern, and triangles are usually continuation. Would take you up to about 41K. Basically right up to the top of that channel, right at about 40.5, 40.7, depending if we just break out or if we just slowly move upwards. But I would remain cautious for the price of Bitcoin. So if you want free access to my signals for the month of December only, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, and make a deposit of $100 or more. So not only will you get free access to my trade signals, but you will also get a 20% bonus into your futures account. So if you put $1,000, that's $200. If you put $100, which is the minimum, you get $20. So you get free money as well as free access to my trade signals, to my VIP rooms, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As I mentioned, we're in trades for XRP, Gala Games, Ethereum, as well as Matic. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're in US oil, we're in silver. Everything is for free, guys. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX and make that deposit of $100 or more. Receive the 20% bonus in your futures account. $1,000, $200, $100, $20, and then email me your UID, your sign up UID. The email will be on the screen, jaxxdiscord77@gmail.com. Email me your UID, and I'll give you free access to my VIP rooms. This is a December special, so don't miss out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.